ladyfish. Kyle hooked him. I was wondering when they was gonna come. Oh, calm down. I'll let you go. Keep playing around, ain't? I'll let your ass go, bitch. Y'all seen that. He came up, made it hard. Whatever that was. Probably a ladyfish. I think the school of trout probably moved on. All I'm just use this mother. See if I can catch me another trout. Damn mullet moved on. Come on, man. Shit. You gonna float me right past. Right in the honey hole. Okay. Fix your fucking bridges. Look at you. Oh, your damn pants gone. Oh no, I might have to go inside. Ooh. Oh man, you trying to make me fall. Dang, what the heck is that? I think that one was gonna spool me. Come on, turn around, Vince. Turn. think that's a shark. Fish on, guys. Woo, whatever it is, it's gonna tow me. Woo, he hit that mama. Yes, sir. I got my, this is my GoPro. GoPro on. He hit that croaker. Whoa. Oh, lucky he hit the rod that had. Yes, sir. I don't know, I think that's a shark. Woo, whatever it is, it's heavy. Lord have mercy. Woo, did y'all hear that drag? Yes, sir. I think I'm going to the island, baby. It's gonna break off, probably. Yes, sir, baby. Whatever it was, it took off. It's heavy, man. I don't think this is a jack. This is heavy. Woo! I got a 4,000 reel on. Lord have mercy. I have my drag kind of loose just in case, and still almost, oh, my Penn on my dang on thing. What? Where we going, baby? Where we going? Let's see if I can do this. Okay. You got your phone in? No. This dude is pulling me way out. Oh my God, where am I at? Let me see if I can get a little bit of this. No, I don't want my radar. That's what I want. Oh, what's on your mind? Live video. Start my live. Come on, man. It's gonna break off. It's gonna break off before I start my live. Oh, it's gonna break off before I start my live. Oh, he is big. Oh, Lord have mercy. Come on, don't lose your phone, man. Okay. What the hell? Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm away from the jetty. Oh, shoot, I'm going to Round Island. Round Island, here I come. Oh, Lord. I think I got a shark on, guys. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Oh, Lord have mercy. Whatever it is, it's big. Come on, let's get you back to the jetty. Come on, little dude. I got 30-pound leader on. I don't think this is dang on, but it's big. Woo, hoo, hoo, woo. It's way out there. I think it's way in Round Island. Y'all can see how far it don't pull me from the jetty. And I'm a big guy. I'm trying to back up. I ain't getting no room on this side. He gonna break off. I know he is, man. Yeah, that might be a jack. The way he jerking, don't know. Ooh, Lord have mercy. It's gonna be a fight. All the way. I've been 10 minutes into this thing gonna fight, man. This guy is huge. This is my Penn Squadron 3 7-foot rod. What is it? Medium heavy? I know, medium fast. Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Come on, dude. Come on. It might be a baby. Oh, don't hit that crab trap. Oh, yeah, he gonna hit that crab trap. I gotta go up instead of going. Oh, I hit that crab trap. No. No. Oh, Lord Jesus. I've been waiting since 2017 get a fish like, oh, he's off. He's off. He's off. He's off. He's off. Oh, yes. He's off, baby. Woo! Yes. I ain't got into the boat, but just to fight alone. But if I go to Round Island, I'm going to Round Island. I get back. I think I will. Round Island, here I come. Woo! He hit a croaker, man. If this thing stay hooked, I'm gonna show y'all the hook. If this thing stay hooked, I'm gonna show y'all the hook. I don't care what it is, shark, redfish, Jackie Poo, don't know. He's way out there. Yeah, I think this is a shark. Damn it! Yep, I see him on top of the water. Got my GoPro on too. The GoPro got the hook up too. It's about 30 seconds or 45 seconds of just straight running when he hit that. Come on, I seen him on top of the water, but I couldn't tell what it was. Come on, dude. Come on, little ugly dude. You know you tired. You know you tired. Tell me what it is. Oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Yes. No, 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 no. No! Yeah, I got it on GoPro. Yes, sir. It's exactly what I've been looking for. Lord. Oh, you're doing exactly what I want you to do. Exactly what I want you to do. Go back. No, not that way. Not that way, not that way. Not that way. Not that way. Come on, not that way, dude. Ah, come on. Come on. Nah. Right way. Oh, there you go. Ah, I was stuck on his tail. I'm stuck on the feeling. Ha ha. Tell you what. Ha ha. Whoa. Damn. No. No! Come on. He swallowed that dang kirker. So my braid. Oh. Oh, what the? Stop playing with the Vince. There's a spade fish. No, this ain't no spade fish, brother. This look at it turning my kayak. Come on, dude. Ah. I heard this was the hardest part. Once we get to the, oh my God. Come on, get up, bruh. Get up. Y'all hear it? I know y'all heard it. I got him on GoPro, so hey. Leader touched. All right. Oh, Lord, hammers. Oh. Oh, there goes another one. Come on, little dude. Come on, little ugly dude. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Matt Mitchell. Matt Mitchell. Ah, I'm stuck on a feeling. Oh, Lord. Damn it. Broken rod. What the hell? Dude. Broken rod and broken leader. Dude. I want y'all to see the hook. I'll show you the fish. Alright. Let's see. Hey. Y'all tell me what kind of hook this is. What is it? Huh? That Mahama. The leader just broke. As soon as I got in the boat, that's my fault. But, dude, this little bitty hook, it was perfectly placed in a corner of his mouth. This leader, no, it couldn't have lasted. Oh, he's dead already. Yeah. Daddy Vic did some shit to you, boy. Well, so, who wants shark bait? Is there? Who wants shark bait? Look at here. Who wants shark bait? Who wants shark bait? It's done. It's done. Finally, it took me fucking 3 years to get this fish. Yeah. Whoa. Uh-oh. He had a couple of remorse, little baby remorse. Woo! Lord have mercy. Let me see. Nah, I'm out pretty far. Well, I can tell you how big he is, guys. I got him on my seat, and his tail is folded. So, oh, uh-oh, I get points for this. If I can find my measuring board. Let me find my measuring board. Jack. All right, Jack, if you want him, man, I'll meet you halfway in between Picola and Pascagoula. Lord have mercy. Woo. All right. All right, guys. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Well, dang. And the video gonna be on this GoPro. I hope I got it staged right. If this motherfucker ain't on, man, I'ma cry. You on? He's on. Lord have mercy. Jack, I ain't got no. Do I got a freezer big enough for this guy? All right, I have to move some room, but I do. Haha. I know, Ivy. You don't know how long it took me to get this fish, man. All right, I'm gone, guys. I gotta get these pictures. This boy is big. Let me see. Yes, sir. Hey, big. Thank y'all for watching. It's gonna break off before I start my line. Oh, it's gonna break off before I start my line. Oh, he is big. Now, I don't need y'all doing all that shit out here. Oh, let's get my ass back in. Whew, Lord have mercy. I don't know what the hell that was back there, but that motherfucker was big. Woo! Oh my God, guys, you don't even know how happy I am. All right.